Finally, my brother is coming back. What a vision!
Yeah, this is it. I have arrived.
Wow, Chateau Roux
I
won't
have
know
been
what's hit
told
it.
There has been problems since I've left, but
Yeah.
I'm a troubleshooter.
Scotman is back! The house is absolutely full of music. We have an early music workshop going on. I can hear them practicing everywhere. And so it's another workshop week. It feels like the whole chateau is sparkling with energy and music and creativity. I really love it. I'll be singing again in a concert in the local church at the end of the week. So a lot to get on with, but fun week ahead.
This was made for me by a friend in America, but he works out of the Paris workshop, so it comes from the Paris workshop.
It's so
But
stunning.
he painted this. It's a copy of an instrument from about 1706, I think, the soundboard. So it's a copy of a real French instrument. So he didn't make that up.
I love it.
It's really beautiful, and there's a story behind the birds, because you see the birds are sitting on a stick of dead wood. And the idea is that it's dead wood, the instrument is dead wood until we make it sing.
Oh,
Isn't
that's
that nice?
beautiful.
Yeah, so by making it into the instrument, we've taken dead wood and made it sing. So that's what the birds represent on the...
Good, I look forward to hearing you make it sing.
Oh.
Percy, I have to take this video because this is just hilarious. This is what you look like after working on the chapel door. And I have to show the because you look as though you've just come out mine.
Oh, well, that's a good reason to go and have a shower.
Yes, excellent. And I can't wait to see the door later. Oh, perfect.
Yep, perfect Percy.
Yes, perfect Percy as usual. We have an awesome artist in residence here at the moment. I'm going to introduce you to him. He's in here. Here's Nico.
Hi guys, how are you?
So can you tell us what you're working on?
I'm actually try to create a new logo for Stephanie and the Chateau.
Oh, I love it so much. It's perfect.
So thank you. So we try to just find symbols of the chateau, like for example the peacock, different bees there because they produce their own honey.
Honey, yeah, we
Yeah.
do.
But that's part of my job. But I also create and realize drone footage for different chateaux all around the world. So
And
photos and etc. Everything.
very soon we're going to be able to show everyone the drone footage of Lalande.
Yeah,
which is
yeah, very
super
soon.
exciting.
Thank you.
What's Mummy doing right now, Percy?
She's going to check the man who's in the bedroom next to ours, just in case she wants to swap.
Are you going to swap, Mummy?
After you have judgment.
So this is Mummy in a filthy, disgusting mood today. Aren't you?
Are you in a bad mood today? You wouldn't know, would you?
Well, no, because you're in favour, teacher's pet, Gerald.
I adore Mummy.
Oh yeah, carry on.
I
Lay it
adore
on
she can
fit.
do no wrong, man.
I love you very much.
Thank you so much.
Is there anything you'd like to say in return?
Not at all. Nothing to say.
It's 1:25 in the afternoon,
And we eat at 1 o'clock.
and we're traumatised here. Bread, butter, a glass of water.
And where are Mummy and Percy?
Look at those two empty places.
What are they thinking?
They didn't even ask.
They didn't tell us they weren't going to be here for lunch. They didn't ask permission to not be here for lunch. They just did a runner. Jerry saw the car going.
So I'm going to have to get counselling.
I think so. We've been abandoned.
Counselling is needed. This is the last time. This is it. This is 10 times they've done that
We've
to
gone
us.
completely crazy. We're just having peanut butter and jelly. How do you feel, Juliette?
Well, I must say that I feel a bit betrayed by Isabelle.
Me too. This is it. Here they come. Let's see what they've got to say for themselves. Look, they look as though it's absolutely normal. Look, they're just waving normally. What in God's name?
I thought you could manage on your own for a change.
No bread.
No bread, that was great.
No bread
There's one piece this big.
in the laundry room.
How were we supposed to know that?
You went.
You abandon us.
Jerry's been very distressed.
Now you'll know what it's like when we're not here next week.
We had to get bread out of the freezer because
I'm
there
so
was no
pleased-
bread.
I'm so pleased you've missed us.
Yes.
Bread
Jerry's
and
been very...
butter.
Jerry can't...
Abandoned, traumatized, bread and butter, water, and this is what you bring us back.
And Jerry won't be doing your painting anymore.
Okay. Oh,
He's
that's a bit of a
decided.
Oh, that's a wee blowing up. Oh, yeah. All of a sudden, the smell. Oh, yeah. What?
At least now we know we've missed when we're not here.
I hide things.
Right, brilliant. Maybe you shouldn't leave during meal times if you've hidden
It's a
everything.
bucket with a hole. There's a hole in your bucket, dear Jerry, dear Jerry.
Well, what shall we do with it? Dear Liza, dear Liza. Well, fix it, dear Jerry, dear Jerry.
Mum, I don't think you quite understand the depth of Gerald's fury.
I would have thought.
Betrayal, he called it.
I would have thought the scent of this beautiful
Really,
bread
you would have
led
thought
you to it.
that in a 40-room building, I would be able to smell the bread in the laundry room.
Well, I am shocked, Susan. Totally shocked.
The week has gone so fast. It's already time for the concert. I can't believe it. So I've got to go. The bells are quite loud in
What'd
the
you say?
church. You what?
What'd you say? I think it's Quasimodo that's up there.
This is a very French celebration. Bread, cheese and wine after the concert. Though